Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download anything from a Google Play Store as it's stuck on a pending on TECNO Spark 10. Let's launch our Google Play Store and here try to download basically any app, or we can't even download them, so you can see that there's a problem. And to fix this, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down and go for the system. Here, select date and time and make sure that you're using set network provided settings. Then we can go back to the Google Play Store and try to download something. And as you can see, the download works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.